Hi, beautiful. Let me show you how to create this gorgeous blue marble set. Start with one coat of white gel polish. This will serve as the base for the other layers of this design. Make sure it's nice and even and cure for 60 seconds. Next, take a translucent dark blue shade and cover the entire base. Cure for 60 seconds. For this next step, take a translucent dark green and cover the blue. This is your time to have fun. Don't think about this layer being perfect. Just brush and swipe because we're creating some dimension here. Once you've covered the entire nail, you're gonna take that dark green and place it randomly just to create a little bit more depth and dimension. Then lightly brush over those placements. Cure for 60 seconds. Next, you'll take a translucent yellow and place that over the green. Again, think imperfect. Place and lightly brush over the color that's already there. Then you'll cure for 60 seconds. Next, you're gonna go back in with the initial blue color and place that over what you just did, covering the yellow, covering the green. Think imperfect. You can make it darker in some places, lighter in some places, and just lightly brush and cure for 60 seconds. Now we're done with the layers. Let's go in and add some more dimension. You're gonna take black marble ink and draw out a marble pattern. Be sure to use enough ink because in the next step, we're gonna refine and take some of this color away. When you're satisfied with the pattern, take a brush with some acetone and start to blur out the edges. In this area, I'm gonna add a little bit more ink, wait for it to spread, and then I'm gonna take my brush and blur out the edges yet again. Marble is so cool because you can do this as many times as you like. If you take too much away, add more ink, blur it out, and repeat as many times necessary until you're satisfied with the design before you top coat. Once you're satisfied with your design, no need to cure. Go straight in with the gold flakes and place them wherever you see fit. Make sure that you flatten out the gold foil as you place it so that the surface is smooth once you top coat. You can add as little or a lot. Girl, go big or go home. This is your world and we are just living in it. Once you've placed all the gold flakes and patted into place, use a generous amount of top coat to cover the entire nail. Be sure to take your time on this step to make sure that all the gold flakes are covered on every side. Be sure to cap all the edges of the nail. Cure for 60 seconds, and voila! Look at that beautiful dimension. Go ahead and prep your natural nails, apply your press-ons, and there you have it. A manicure as stunning as you. Enjoy!